Howdy, partner. Slow clearing drains, either in your tub or in your sink, are one of the most common problems that homeowners face, but they're super easy to fix. And today we're going to test this viral trending product called the DrainShroom to see if it actually works to clear out this mess here. Now, I'm not sponsored by DrainShroom, but this thing is all over the internet. It's saying it will clear out a hair clog or other clog of that sort really quickly. So, opening it up, comes with this neat carrying case, which I really like. And then what this does is this hooks into your drill and allows you to clear out a clog, it says, in minutes. Now, I've tested a bunch of different types of drain augers, and this one's pretty neat because it's not just manual, it actually hooks into your drill. Now, you don't want to turn it too fast. You're going to kind of go at a reasonable speed. But I'm going to go ahead and get this thing set up. You want to make sure it's going clockwise, which it is. And what you have is you have this steel pole, or steel wire rather, that has this catch on the end that's supposed to catch hair. And then it's also got this other knot here. So if you come on over this way, I could probably fit this in on the side, but I can take out this drain. So I'm going to pop this drain out. And it doesn't look like it's too gunked up. But next thing you're going to do is you're going to feed this wire down there. And we'll see if this works as good as you can. And it says it can go up to, I think it's 3 feet maybe into your pipe. So push it down. You start to do it, you can put on some safety glasses as it instructs you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this a little bit, but I'm going to continue to try to push it down as it's turning. There we go. Now I'm all the way down. And then it wants you to turn it, but you're not going to turn it full blast, just partially. And then when you pull it out, we'll see absolutely nothing. So either there's no hair in there or this didn't work. All right, so that sink had no hair, but we're gonna check this one here in the tub. This is for my 3 kids, and all 3 are girls, and just looking down here in the drain, I can already tell there's hair ties and floss, and it looks like there is some hair just right there. That's pretty gross. So let's feed this down and see if this really works. I guess we did get a little bit of hair on that sink. I'm going to put that down there. You want to push it all the way down. Alright, and then we're going to kind of turn it on. Pretty good on the first one. Let's do it again. All right, well, not bad at the surface. We did get some nasty hair there. Is this the greatest tool in the world? I don't know. I think this could probably be a little more of a grabber, but maybe it works. Maybe it doesn't. Thanks for watching.